EQ is loud. I hope I didn't wake anyone up. So it's 6 in the morning. Absolutely nobody is up. But I thought I'd go to the bakery for once. Get myself a nice pie or something and a coffee. And yeah, start the day like that. So foggy this morning, so foggy. Didn't realise that it'd actually be that foggy. It's pretty cool though. Pack up time. This is the end of the Olive Hill Farm experience. It's been awesome. Just got my awning in, trying to pack up everything before we leave tomorrow morning, so it's all like packed up and done. Just about to get the dinghy on, fold up trailer. Nearly done packing up to move house tomorrow. Just wanted to show you guys this quickly. Anti-flap kit and awning sides, which we'll be setting up tomorrow. Mum and Dad's already semi got theirs up. You could probably see in the video before. But yeah, we're gonna set that up properly tomorrow. I have it on a time lapse so you guys can see exactly how it's set up. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Let's go! We just packed up, left Olive Hill Farm, and now we're headed to Rest Point Caravan Park in Walpole. So we're gonna be there for one night, suss a few campsites around the area. That's more of a national park sort of site, and then we'll probably spend a week or two at one of those. But yeah, we're pretty buggered after today, been out all day, doing a bit of prep work and whatnot before we push further south and before we're more away from Perth. So yeah, it'd be nice to settle in a caravan park for a bit of a change. Don't have to watch power or water. So yeah, I'll see you guys there. Do a bit of time lapse getting set up. Oh man, gotta love roadworks. Out in bush, don't know how long this is gonna take. It's got one of those traffic light thingies that you gotta wait for to turn green. Literally, there's no one around either. Good fun. I think we're about 50 minutes away still, so getting there. Woo! Yeah, boy. Jeez, it is pretty packed here. We just got those two spots over there. Dad's backing up. Might go help him. I'll see you guys later. Hey everyone, we just stopped here while trying to find camp at Dinosaur World. They've got a variety of cockatoos and stuff around. You can actually hold them, as well as reptiles, and they got a pretty cool dinosaur sort of like room where they've got all the skeletons and stuff and they move. I will get a bit on film, I'll chuck it up for you guys to have a look and let me know in the comments what you guys think. Don't know if I want to get too close to this guy. He seems all friendly and then... Oh. How cool was that, guys? Down here southwest. If you're down here, make sure you definitely check it out. Dinosaur World, Denmark. Gives it a real cool like Jurassic Park sort of vibe. You can handle the birds, the reptiles, as you guys have seen already on camera. It's just a real awesome place, and yeah, really something different here in the southwest. Like, there's nothing quite like it, so definitely make sure you check that one out. I'll put the business in the description below. But now, the struggle to find a campsite. It's 2:17 PM. We'll push on towards Denmark, so hopefully we can sort of suss out a nice campsite. If there's nothing there, probably have to just book a caravan park and then push like further on. Denmark, we've already seen quite a bit in the previous videos, so yeah, more than likely we're going to stay. We might see a few bits and pieces, but we'll just keep pushing on towards Esperance and Albany. There's a bit around there to see, and then like obviously past that is all new for everyone. None of us, me, mum, dad, no one's been past Esperance, so yeah, pretty keen to push past and actually hit South Australia pretty much, so that'd be real cool. But yeah, for now, we'll go find a camp, and yeah, I still need to show you guys a setup of the awning and the sites, so let's go. Alright, just pulled up to camp. We ended up finding Big 4 Denmark Ocean Holiday Park. So we're just in this back section where it's unpowered because we've got plenty of power in the vans. They're full of water as well. Found this awesome nice grass patch area. A few like kangaroos around as well. So we're just gonna get set up. Dad's just putting his next to mine, and then get the awnings out. I'll show you guys how to do all that and get set up, and yeah, have some shelter, have some dinner, get an early night, and hopefully tomorrow I'll check the weather forecast. Hopefully it's good enough to take the tinny out as well, which would be awesome. But yeah, let's get set up. Okay, so what these are, this is like a support for the middle. So one side, it's got a clip up just in the, I'll show you guys, just up there in the awning bracket, it's got a little clip. So what you do is you clip the one side in, and then you push it to the edge of the awning, and that rubber side hits that, and what it does is, you guys can probably see that's a curve. So what it does is it just sort of supports the awning more, especially when there's rain and wind, stop it from flapping. Just like that pretty much. So you get a nice curve in it. And these, that's the anti-flap side. So what happens is they come in two bits. So that, you unscrew that and it loosens that little bit inside. And you get this one, pretty much slide it in, as so. And then you just tighten this up. 2, 3. That opens and your awning, the side of it goes in there. That clips back down when you adjust the clips, and then through this side rail, you've got another side that runs through. So I'll chuck this up. And that's pretty much set up complete. It's looking good. Check out how easy this setup is. Shelter in one hand, remote in the other.